How to fix HP printer offline issues on Windows. Step 1. Restart printer and computer. 1. Turn off the printer and computer. 2. Wait for 30 seconds. 3. Turn them back on. Step 2. Check printer connection. 1 minute. 1. Ensure the printer is properly connected to the computer via USB or network cable. 2. Check the wireless connection, if applicable. Step 3. Update printer driver. 2 minutes. 1. Go to the HP website and download the latest printer driver for your model. 2. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Step 4. Disable and re-enable printer. 1 minute. 1. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. 2. Right-click the printer and select Disable Device. 3. Wait for 10 seconds. 4. Enable the device again. Step 5. Check Default Printer Settings. 1 minute. 1. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. 2. Ensure the HP printer is set as the default printer. 3. If not, right-click the printer and select Set as Default Printer. Step 6. Restart Print Spooler Service. 1 minute. 1. Press Windows key plus R2. Type services.msc and press Enter. 3. Find Print Spooler and right-click it. 4. Select Restart. Step 7. Check for conflicting devices. 1 minute. 1. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. 2. Look for any duplicate or conflicting printer devices. 3. Remove any unnecessary devices. That's it. Your HP printer should now be online and ready to use.